It's very hard. I need to go to school also because my English is tumbling. Balitok. You know that tumbling is balitok. Hope you can balitok me also, Jenly. Can you balitok me? You know what the balitok? Can you tumbling me? Ah, come on. Oh, my nose is itching. Can you, you know to tumbling? I'm very nice to tumbling. Oh, wait lang na. My daughter is to become angry na. Because long time to finish my laundry. No, laundry is ironing, not laundry. Yawa. It's a long time to finish my ironing. Bah, because Jelly is there. Hi, sweetheart. Hello, simulator. If me is your sweetheart, kiss me. Kiss me, oh my God. You always calling me like that, but you never kiss me ba? I'm from Romania, Europe. Oh my God. My ex-husband is there before. Last year is there. In, the Romanian is in Europe. Oh, okay. Yeah, you told me. You told me. If you are a simulator, it's your like if you have a lot of money, okay. Oh, policeman. Yeah. Oh, no, usually, simulator, never, see you later. I'm driving it, a big truck. Okay. Okay. I'm finished na. Ay, napala isa. I'm not finished. Continue later. Because I don't have time na. I need to bring my daughter na. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you later. I will back after 20 minutes. Oh, na. Oh my God. Oh, sayang mang oras ko. To become, maybe I have data. I will show you in the street. Okay, but I need to change my outfit because I don't want to go there. If my shirt is like this, so short. Maybe all the driver look my legs. Yawa. Mika, I cannot go out. Aray ko. Tara na. I don't want to change my outfit. It's okay like this. Everyone is look my legs. Tara na, let's go. Ayoko na magpalit ng Megatron. I'm going. I don't want to change my outfit, Jenly. Oh shit, what's this? Ay, tara na ay. Diyan na. Let's go. Let's go. Kita ba? Aray ko. Nakita dyan yung cellphone.
Bigat nito.
Hindi, mabigat yan. Nika! Bebe! Nika! Nika! Isarang mo atong ano?
Ano ba yung baon?
Ha? Say baon, wala baon.
Lunch. Kakagutom kayo.
Pagdala daw, kadaghang pagkaon, daghang biskwit oh.
Hindi na nakabusog.
Unsa dili yung nakakabusog? Hala, may kanin ka.
Nagbahan na ako.
Oh.
Dalawa nga yung lunch na.
Oh, magkuha ka pa na. Unsa naman kadaghanan mo pangayo ay. Doon ka na sa likod.
Hindi nga kasya.
Kasya yan.
Wala.
I need to open my date because I will show you
Road.
the street. I will
Uy, pera.
sa mugod na. Sige ko pangayo kwarta.
Ano gusto mo? Money.
Naghanap ko susi na ko. Ay, latay mo doon.
Okay na yan. Lagyan mo na dyan. Extra na. Kukunin mo. Ay, ba't di mo si Mama?
Only 20. Only 20. When will you use the e-bike pick me? If you come there in Philippines.
Oy, 35 yun.
Say 35 ba? Uy,
Yung kanin.
kasi naman ito. Say 35 good na.
Pastel.
Sa pastil.
Kanin with pastel, yes.
Okay na yan. Kailangan tipid-tipid tayo. Kaya tayo kuan. Natin, hurot mo ni kung ano ba yung kwarta. My wallet is to become empty na.
Up.
Nito, wala ko yung filter. Yawa, dali na. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Na, doon ka kaya sa ano, sa likod.
Di nga kasya.
Kasya nga. Doon ka kaya sa likod. Kaya ano?